Powerful AI coding agents running locally on edge devices could be going mainstream sooner than you think. Some frame edge AI as the cheap alternative to the cloud. You use local for easy stuff, cloud for the hard stuff. But it's possible that a growing group of developers are going to completely skip the cloud soon. One of Ollama's latest releases rewrote their inference engine on Apple's MLX framework. The interesting part is what they optimized for. Inference runtime spend most of their work on two things: prefill, which is reading your prompt, and decode, or generating tokens. The new caching system reuses prefix states across conversation. So that means if two calls share the same prompt and code-based context, the model skips recomputing it. That applies to the exact pattern of agentic coding, which is long iterative loops, oftentimes across the same files. Now stack that with Gemma 4, Google's edge model that has a context window size of 128,000 tokens and is fully phone deployable, and add LiquidAI's 350 million parameter model for tool orchestration or tool calling, Ollama for the runtime, and you start to see every layer of a self-contained coding agent running on consumer devices. We think you're going to see the cost-constrained developer, this could be the indie developer, individual developer, student developer, using this. When local inference is free, the question stops being about, is edge good enough? And more so, why am I paying for something that I can run myself for a lot of different workloads? Second group that would really benefit from this is regulated environments. Defense contractors, HIPAA-bound healthcare, air-gapped government work. Full edge AI could be a great way to leverage the capabilities of modern-day coding agents. But what about the harness, the tool orchestration logic around the model? That's what tends to make cloud agents also really good. That's true today, but that gap is also closing from both sides. Open source harnesses are shipping every single month, and they're getting easier for developers to build themselves. And as local models get better at following tool call conventions, that harness is just getting easier and more effective to build and run. Pretty soon, it might be mainstream for most developers to run their full coding agent on their laptop with no internet.